Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Kids, stay with us. Deep olive green color, writing the alphabet of A. A for apple. B for ball. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog, D for dog. Kids, now we're using the color of geranium and writing the alphabet of E. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. F. The next one is G. G for God. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. I for eyes, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. Now we're using the color of black and writing the alphabet of K. The next one is L. L for lemon. M. The next one is M. O. P. Q. Q for queen. And the last one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Today we're writing alphabets. Thank you so much for watching.